Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to run Skyrim Script Extender through Vortex. First, ensure your Skyrim game and Vortex Mod Manager are both fully installed and updated. Next, download the correct version of SKSE for your game from its official source. You will typically find a 7-zip archive. Extract all the files from this archive directly into your main Skyrim game folder, where the Skyrim executable is located. This step is crucial for proper integration. Now let's configure Vortex. Open Vortex and navigate to the Dashboard or Tools section. You'll need to add a new tool. Name it SKSE or Skyrim Script Extender. For the target executable, browse to your Skyrim game folder and select the SKSE 64 loader exe file. This tells Vortex how to launch the game with SKSE. Finally, ensure this new SKSE entry is set as your primary launch option within Vortex. With SKSE configured, it's time to deploy your mods. In Vortex, click the Deploy Mods button to ensure all your installed modifications are properly linked. Once deployment is complete, launch Skyrim directly from the SKSE entry you created in Vortex. Do not launch from the standard Skyrim executable or Steam. After the game loads, open the in-game console by pressing the tilde key and type Get SKSE version to confirm SKSE is active and running. Encountering issues? First, double-check that your SKSE version precisely matches your Skyrim game version. An incorrect version is a common culprit. If problems continue, try re-extracting the SKSE files into your Skyrim folder, overriding existing ones. Always consult the individual mod pages for any specific installation instructions or known compatibility issues. Many mod authors provide detailed guidance. Patience and careful attention to detail are key for a smooth modding experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.